Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be creating another Valentine's Day eyeshadow look. I wanted to get another one in for this year, and we're going to use the most perfect eyeshadow palette for this today. We're using the ColourPop Flirty Talk eyeshadow palette. This is the ColourPop Valentine's Day collection for this year, and it is just adorable. I love all the detailing and the message bubbles and everything. So cute on the front of this. And then when you open it up, it's even detailed on the inside. And these are the shades, just pinks, reds, shimmers, mattes. It's so perfect. And then the back is really cute as well with all the names of the shades. So I will do a few swatches for you guys as always, and we'll create an eye look. So let's get started. I do want to do something a little bit more wearable, so not just like something super red and like really bold. I want to do something wearable with this palette. I actually did another Valentine's Day tutorial this year that you guys should definitely go check out. I used the Rem Beauty Valentine's Day collection. That look is really great for Valentine's Day too, so I will link that one down below for you guys. Let's start out with some swatches. I'm going to go into the shade Be Mine, which I just love. I love this color. This is, wait till you guys see it. We're going to try Cuddle Up, and let's try Talk to Me. Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful. This is that first shade, and it's just like that creamy, glittery formula that ColourPop always puts in their palettes that just looks amazing on the eyes. And then even the other two shades, this is definitely more of like a shimmer, metallic shade, and then this one is a matte, but it has little flakes of shimmer in it. I honestly love that color combo right there for the eyes, but I definitely think I'm going to incorporate some of the reds to kind of help enhance the pink. I'm just going to start out by going into the shade Head Over Heels, and I'm going to use this Morphe M441 blending brush. And I already applied concealer as primer, so I'm just going to go straight in with this color and just start blending it on the outer corners and the crease, just to give us a nice base to work with. So I'm going to go into the shade Your Fave, which is a little bit more of like a pinky reddish matte shade. And I'm just going to blend that on the outer corners. Into the shade Heart Emoji, which is a little bit of a deeper red, and that's going to really just give us like a little bit more definition on the outer corners. So I'm going to use the same brush and just apply that color. And really just concentrating that color just on this small section of the outer corners. And I'm just applying the same shade along the lower lash line. So now I'm going to go into the shade Talk to Me, which is that kind of matte shade but has shimmer in it. It definitely looks like a shimmer in the pan, but when you swatch it, it has like a matte base to it. I'm just tapping this color on the very center of the lid. So look at how gorgeous and pigmented that color is. I love that. And you already know I'm going to use this shimmer, which was like the first one that we swatched, called Be Mine. It's this gorgeous one right here. Love that color, and I already know it's going to look beautiful. Place it all over the remaining part of the inner half of the lid. And it just, oh my god, it looks amazing on the eyes. And I used my ring finger so that I could get that really like pigmented glitter look. But if you guys wanted a softer glittery look, definitely use like a flat eyeshadow brush. The brushes tend to not pick up as much pigmentation when you're using a glitter. The only problem with it is that sometimes I think when you use a brush, depending on the formula of the eyeshadow, you get a little bit more fallout because of the way that the bristles on the brush pick up the product. So you might end up with a little bit more fallout than you would if you just tap the color straight onto your lids. I'm going to go back in with that blending brush from before and use the shade Little Red Dress and just place this color very, very close to the lash line, and then just kind of diffuse it on the outer corner, and it just makes the pink pop. So I'm kind of debating as to whether or not I want to add liner, but I think I'm going to go and add a wing for this look, and I'm going to use my Rem Beauty Black Liquid Liner in the shade Midnight Black. So I do want to add a brow bone highlight. So I'm going to go into the shade On Your Mind, which is this light white shimmery color. I'm just going to place that right below my brows. Now onto lashes. I'm going to be using these ones from Morphe today. They're in the style Hollywood Hills, and I'm just going to pop these on. I'm going in and just lining my waterline and my tight line with a black eye pencil, and then also adding some mascara. So now that the eyes are done, I'm just going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my face makeup off camera, and I'll be right back. So face makeup is done. I did apply a lip liner from NYX. It's in the shade Natural. I'm going in with this ColourPop Glowing Lip lipstick, and it's in the shade Candy Kisses. It's part of this Valentine's Day collection, and I'm just applying it right over top. I really like the formula. It kind of feels just like a lip balm, and it's really nice. I'd actually would love to try it on its own without the liner underneath and see how it comes up, because it's super comfortable on the lips, and it does have a little bit of pigment to it, so I think it will look really nice even on its own. And this is the finished look. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I think this palette is adorable and absolutely perfect for Valentine's Day. You could definitely do more of like a reddish look with this eyeshadow palette as well. I just wanted to do pink today. But I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. Hit the bell button to turn on your post notifications so you're notified when I upload a new video. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.